Welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make money with Temu and Pinterest. So guys, if you are not an affiliate yet, please click on my link below so you can sign up to become a Temu affiliate now and start earning some money. So now with that said, once you are on Temu, first thing that you will do is simply go to the search bar over here at the top and search for affiliate program. And from here, guys, you will be redirected to the affiliate page. And once you are here, just simply click on pick items over here on the side. And now just simply select the item that you like to promote. So now let's say I'm going to promote this Hello Kitty Hawaii. And from here, just simply click on the picture. And now guys, just simply right click on it and copy the image. And from here, just simply go to pinterest.com and now just simply log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can just click on sign up over here. And guys, you can continue with Google, or you can just simply provide your email over here and create your password and provide your birthday. And now once you have logged in into Pinterest, just simply go ahead and click on this create over here. And as you can see, we'll be able to create a pin. So from here, just simply click on this. And now just simply provide the picture. And as you can see, we have the picture here. And now guys, just go back to the product. And now just simply go ahead and copy the title over here. So let's say I'm going to go for adorable Hawaii Kitty plush toy. I'm going to copy this and go to Pinterest and paste it on the title. And on the description, guys, just simply provide the link. So I'm going to go for the Temu affiliate program. And now you'll be able to see here, this a button. So click on this. And from here, just simply share text. And now, once the text has been copied, just go to Pinterest. And on the description, just simply paste it. And now, just simply copy the item link and paste it over here down below as well. And guys, remember that in the description, just make sure to disclose and add this is an affiliate link. Otherwise, Pinterest will ban the account. So just simply add over here, this is a affiliate link. And now from here, just simply choose a board. So board is like a playlist or category. So I'm going to go for create a board. Let's say I'm going to go for cute stuff. I click on create. And now just simply tag a topic. And now once you have provided a keyword or tag, just simply go ahead and publish it. And there you go. That's simply about it. Just do this method 3 to 5 times per week and you'll be able to see the results. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!